When we sneeze, why our eyes blinks? I'm gonna tell you why our eyes blinks. When some dust particles go into our nose, the brain knows that it is dangerous for our body. So we sneeze and our eyes blinks because the dust particles go in our eyes and we will get infected. This is why we sneeze and our eyes blinks. Achoo!